Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe for some great upcoming videos. This DIY is dedicated to Della, one of my subscribers, requesting a DIY video demonstrating a dresser top nail polish organizer. We will begin with spray painting the office organizers, the step shelf, and the floral wood shapes, all from Dollar Tree. First, carefully removing the clips from 2 clipboards. Also removing the feet from the step shelf. As I allowed the spray paint to dry, I measured and cut 3 individual foam boards and the silver tray to the size of the office organizers, which will serve as stable shelving on the step shelf with a mirrored effect. I'm adhering the silver tray pieces to the foam board with hot glue on both sides. Before spray painting the 2 clipboards, I glued them together off camera for more stability. I'm adhering the mirror to the clipboards with E6000 for a permanent hold and hot glue for an immediate hold in order to continue this DIY without extended cure time. Before adhering the 3 office organizers to the silver-plated foam boards with E6000 and hot glue, I'm cleaning them with glass cleaner. I will now add diamond wrap embellishment, framing the mirror on the board, leaving diamond wrap overhang to wrap around the edges of the board onto the back of it as demonstrated. I'm now adding individual flowers from the flower mesh to each corner of the mirror for an accented finish. After cleaning my mirror with glass cleaner, I will adhere the back end of the step shelf to the mirror with E6000 and a generous amount of hot glue in all areas where the mirror and the step shelf meet. I will now use my silver metallic pen from Dollar Tree to color in the exposed white foam board, so when I adhere the diamond wrap around the base of the office organizer, there isn't any white peeping through. I purchased 3 packages of the woodshop cars from Dollar Tree, needing a total of 6 wheels, which will serve as the 2 front feet of my nail polish organizer, 3 wheels on each side. I will adhere the 3 wheels on top of one another, which will give me the exact height needed. I will make certain the center hole is clear of glue to insert through the step shelf's front feet. After adhering them together, I'm painting the wood with metallic sterling silver paint from Walmart. After the paint dries, I will embellish the wheels with diamond wrap and apply felt pads at the bottom. Later, for further embellishment, I will add flour mesh to the top and the base of the wheels. For the headdress or topping of the organizer, I'm using 10 flower wood shapes that were spray painted metallic silver. After gluing them together in formation with hot glue, I will set the piece aside until I'm ready for it. My formation is basically a pyramid, starting with 4 flowers at the base, then the next row up has 3 flowers, and so on. The office organizers, which are now my shelving for the nail polish, will be adhered with E6000 and hot glue. Make certain to flip over the organizer and add a generous amount of hot glue to the bottom of the shelving. I will now adhere my headdress or my topping onto my nail polish organizer with E6000 and hot glue. I decided at this time to also add embellishments on 3 of the flowers on the headdress, using individual flowers from flower mesh and 14mm pearls. I also added a single flower from flower mesh centered on each shelf. For a clean finish on the back of the nail polish organizer, I will measure, cut, and glue a floor mat from Dollar Tree. Alright everyone, this is my completed look. Please like and share. And if you'd like to see more of my creative ideas, please subscribe and click the notification bell. Until the next one, bye for now.